Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. I cannot wait you training with me. The Tiger Kung Fu Lesson 8. Let's go. Welcome back. So I quickly review for lesson 1 till lesson 5 for the Tiger Kung Fu. This is considered for beginner until intermediate level. Lesson 6 further consider intermediate till advanced level. Would you like to take the journey with me from intermediate level until advanced level? So training with me. Let's start some warm up. 1, 2, come back. 1, 2, come back. 1, 2, come back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. The other side. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, straight, come back, 1, 2, straight, 1, 2, straight, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, straight, 4, 1, 2, straight, 4, 1, 2, straight, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, straight. 1, 2, straight. 1, 2, straight. 1, 2, straight. 4, 5. 1, 2, straight. 4, 5. 1, 2, straight. 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2. 1, 2. Straight. 1, 2. Straight. 1, 2. Straight. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2. And 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Shot, shot. Shot, shot. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, ，Last move from a lesson 7. Land your feet. Arm. Both hands come back. Attack. Turning. 1, 2. Step your left. 1, 2, 3. Cross your both hands. Step back. Heel kick. Step your right. Jumping touch your knee. 1 and 2. Thank you for training with me for the Tiger Kung Fu. Now I give you the quick note. Let's talk about the basics first. The basics is very important for all Kung Fu. So those hand work, we start with grabbing. So open your fingers and your tight, powerful out of your finger, like grabbing, strong. Grabbing like that, right? So also we have something like boom from 45, you go down. So those power from your shoulder and 45 up, you see, press down, boom, like this, and you go down, boom. Yeah, that is great. Okay, and also another one, so you go cross, grabbing, and down, right? So those things is like someone attack at both sides. So you go from inside to out, you turn your finger, grabbing, and you follow by a kick or whatever, right? So let's go the feet work. So very important when you do go feet work, knee lift, you go boom, down. So the power out to the last point, you go boom, down. This can be step on someone's toes and you push, they fall, right? So very important for that. So let's see another the jumping one. So you go knee lift and then you go switching and this. Actually, this is a demonstration, but you should to jump actually high and landing solid like elephant. So you go one, you go shoo, shoo, because the power out, boom, the same way. So you go jumping, someone sweep you on, or you landing. So once you're landing very strong and heavy, step the toe, or just boom, push down, right? So let's just say the kick work. The kick can be low, boom, and you come back. The same speed you kick, the same speed you go back, like you go punch. So they're not grabbing you hand or kick, right? You can go kick low and kick high, come back. So speed, speed. So go 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's the way you should to repeat, and training. Also, the elbow work is very important. So you go flat and don't forget that twist. Also, your legs hop, you go boom, from boom. There's more power right there. So this is the hardest bone. So that's why very useful, right? So let's just go another one. So also you can connect with the rotation one, right? So you can attack the side, you can attack either way. So once you go, turn back. I like this one, very useful. So you go blocking, and you go strike, or you go attack, attack. So once your rotation, so people don't know what you're gonna do with the rotation, right? You must be quicker steps and then attack the chin. That's so good. All right. Also, the elbow can use for from low to high. No matter what you go, push, grabbing, boom, 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 right? Da. Also, the elbow rotate. So those things must be rotate your waist a lot. Back from high to low. Go set way up. Perfect. All right. The swing arm, you go swing left and right or right and left. This move from a hunger. So this, boom, boom, very powerful move. use outside of your fist to attack, bam, and this one inside, I go, and screw, 1, 2, so 1, 2, so your shoulder should relax to gain that speed, but the last part, you have to be everything tight, because this can be really disconnect your shoulder if you just too loose up, right? So this is loose and this is tight, and so that power, really powerful. Okay, great work. Quick talk about this connection. So once you go grabbing the arm, so you gotta go kick. You see the power? More power, you lean back, open your hip, and you turn, the power will go shot. This is a lot more power if you just go right? That's great work. Let's go the last one. So the jumping kick. So the quick note about the jumping spinning kick. Very, very important thing. So you go step and step. Your right toe must go outside. Why? Because you need to rotate. If you go straight, you say very hard. You can rotate. So you gotta to step outside. Then you take off. Once your body lean a little bit this way, you say, so easy, you're spinning. So once you're spinning, you're landing, and you make that kick, right? So go outside and go 1, 2. So with that couple steps, you will be get this move. Training hard from medium level other ones. So I see you in next video. Thank you very much. I love you all. Bye bye.